So, picture this. You're cruising easy, maybe 20 to 30 miles per hour on some chill dirt path. Think Midwest farmland or a smooth Colorado trail. You might squeeze out 70 to 80 miles, no sweat. That's solid for kicking back and soaking in the ride. But come on, who's dropping 5 grand on this monster to play it safe? Nah, you're out there shredding, full throttle, catching air, or hauling ass up some gnarly hill. That's when the range goes kaput. Riders are spilling the beans online. I've been scrolling X and forums like a detective. Hardcore off-roading? We're talking 20 to 30 miles tops. Some dude in Cali blasted through desert dunes and tapped out at 25 miles. Another in Tennessee got 35, tearing up muddy backwoods before the battery cried uncle. Me? If I had this in India, I'd be lucky to hit 20 miles on a monsoon-soaked mountain pass. Those trails don't mess around. Why is it tanking so fast? That 25 kilowatt motor's a juice hog when you crank it. Think V8 engine vibes, but electric. Mud, sand, steep climbs. It's like asking the bike to run a marathon with a backpack. Heat's a buzzkill too. If you're roasting in Arizona or Texas summer, that battery's gonna feel it. Cold snaps in Minnesota, same deal. You're not hitting 100 miles unless you're babying it, and even then, good luck. Here's the wild part. Nobody's dropping the full scoop yet. YouTube's got unboxings and quick spins, but where's the dude who rides this thing till it dies on camera? That's what's trending. People are thirsty for the unfiltered truth. I'm over here in India dreaming of shipping one over just to test it myself. Imagine me vlogging that. Day 1, bike's alive. Day 2, send help. What's your take? Can this thing hang tough, or is it all hype? That's the rundown, crew. The E-Ride Pro SR's range is a roller coaster. Decent if you're chill, but it's game over if you go ham. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you ridden one? How far'd you get? Hit that like button if you're vibing with this, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next drop. We'll catch you on the flip side. Stay lit and ride hard.